Hi there. In this clip I'm going to show you how easy it is to schedule different playlists to play out on your screens at different times of day. This is a great feature for any busy signage environment where you might want to optimize the adverts that your customers see according to the time of day or the day of the week. Okay, let's get started. So let's assume I've already made some playlists. If you need help on this, we have a video for that too. In the top nav, let's click on New Schedule. Here you'll see a familiar looking calendar and a visual list of your recent playlists down the right hand side. So, I'm going to drag this playlist into the schedule and set it to play from 8 until 10 on weekdays only. Easy. Now I'm going to add a lunchtime playlist in exactly the same way. And finally, I'm going to add an evening playlist that runs every weekday evening. Now I can just keep adding as many different playlists as I like to my schedule until I'm done. The final and most important thing I need to do here is set my default playlist. This is the one that will play anytime there's nothing specific scheduled to play. I just choose the playlist I want and drag it up like this. Just like with my ads and my playlists, I give my schedule a name and click on Save. Once I've done that, I can click on Schedules in the top nav and see the schedule I just made. You can create as many of these as you like. Finally, I'm going to publish my schedule by clicking on this link and then choosing the screens or groups of screens that I'd like to send it to. That's it. Simple scheduling of your playlists with screen space. Thanks for watching.